welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make dog-safe cupcakes or pupcakes for your puppy. My dog is turning 1 and I wanted him to have a little treat on his birthday that was safe for him. I got this recipe online and I'll link it down below. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then we're going to get started on the recipe. So for the pupcake, you're going to need half a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter cup of peanut butter, 1 medium banana mashed, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of water. The recipe says that it makes 6, so I have 6 cupcake tins ready to go. So you're going to sift together the flour and the baking powder. And I'm just going to use a little whisk for that. And once that's all mixed in, you're just going to set that aside. So now you're going to take the peanut butter, banana, egg, and water and put it all in the bowl and mix it up until it's combined. So once your wet ingredients are all combined together, you're going to take your dry ingredients back and add them in a little bit at a time until it's all combined. Now that it's all combined, we're going to take our ice cream scoop and scoop them into the cupcake trays. Now that they're all ready, we're going to pop them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. While the cupcakes are in the oven, I'm going to make the frosting. For the frosting, you're going to need half a cup of peanut butter, 120 grams of cream cheese, and half of a medium banana mashed. For the frosting, we're going to take the cream cheese and the peanut butter and cream those together. Normally, I might use a mixer to cream something, but in this case where it's such small amounts, it's not really going to work in the mixer. If you had a hand mixer, that would work perfect for this, but I'm just going to do it by hand. Keep in mind that this isn't going to be as smooth as regular buttercream because we're using bananas and we're not using any sugar. Once the cream cheese and peanut butter is mixed together, you can add in the mashed banana. There you go. Now I'm just going to put this in a piping bag with a nice piping tip. The cupcakes are all done. I'm going to pop them out of the oven to cool. So the pupcakes are out of the oven and they're cooled, and I have some of the frosting here in the piping bag. I'm just going to pipe them on, and some of them I'm going to put the little milk bones on top. So they're all finished. I'm gonna go take a few pictures and then later we're gonna see what Chipper thinks of them.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Can weather any storm.
If you do like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up.
Before I sleep,
scroll down and hit that subscribe button. Subscribing doesn't cost any money, you just have to sign up with a Google account, and you can follow along and you won't miss any new videos from me.